Hello, what is the value of s in this equation? 4 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s is equal to 24. Solution. Then here we have 4 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power x is equal to 24. Take note of this, that if you have then here 4 raised to power s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 4 raised to power s bracket 4 raised to power s divided by this 4 raised to power x. This is 1 plus 4 raised to power s divided by this 4 raised to power x. This is 1 is equal to 24. 4 raised to power x bracket 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 24. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. This divided by 2. These 2 cancel these 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 12. 4 raised to power x is equal to 12. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 12. If you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. X log 4 is equal to log 12. Let's divide both sides by 4. Let's divide both sides by log 4. This divided by log 4. And this divided by log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4 here. S is equal to log 12 divided by log 4. 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. S is equal to log 4 multiplied by 3 divided by log 4. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to log 4 plus log 3, and this divided by log 4. This is divided by log 4. S is equal to log 4 cancel log 4, 1 plus log 3 divided by log 4. S is equal to 1 plus, this can be written by log 3 base 4, and this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s plus 4 raised to power s is equal to 24, when x is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 4. Then here we have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 4 plus 4 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 4 must be equal to 24. Then this is 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 3 base 4 plus 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 3 base 4 must be equal to 24. That is, if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then here 4 raised to power 1 is 4 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 3 base 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 3 base 4 must be equal to 24. If you have b to the power of log c base b, this is equal to c. Now here we have 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 plus 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 24. Now 4 times 3, this is 12 plus 4 times 3, 12 must be equal to 24. 12 plus 12, this is 24, is equal to 24, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.